Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between towering mountains and gentle streams, there was a young inventor named Emma. Emma was known throughout the village for her insatiable curiosity and inventive spirit. Her workshop was filled with gadgets and gizmos, some of which seemed to defy the laws of nature themselves. However, there was one phenomenon that intrigued her more than any other: static electricity. Emma's fascination began one chilly autumn day. As she was walking home from school, she noticed how her hair stood on end when she removed her woolen hat. How peculiar, she thought, eyes wide with wonder. She had heard from the village elders about the magical sparks once witnessed in the night sky, but she had never experienced anything like it herself. Determined to uncover the mystery, she plunged into her experiments. The first experiment involved a balloon. She rubbed it furiously against her woolen sweater and aimed it towards her little brother Benny's hair. To their surprise and delight, Benny's hair started to rise, sticking straight to the balloon. "Wow, it's like magic," Benny exclaimed. But Emma knew it wasn't magic, it was science. She explained to Benny that when you rub the balloon on your sweater, you gather tiny invisible particles called electrons on its surface. When the balloon is brought near Benny's hair, which has fewer electrons, the two are attracted to each other, causing his hair to stand up and playfully stick to the balloon. Eager to learn more, Emma went to the village library, searching through dusty old books. She learned that static electricity is created when certain materials rub against each other, causing a transfer of electrons. Objects with opposite charges attract one another, while those with the same charge repel. Back at her workshop, Emma conducted another experiment. She took a metal spoon and brought it close to a soda can lying on the table. Rubbing the spoon with a woolen fabric, she charged it with electrons. When she carefully approached the can with the charged spoon, the can started rolling towards it. Benny watched in awe, realizing just how powerful and real static electricity could be. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories.